How to Deactivate Your Instagram Account 2025 Updated Guide. Hey everyone! Welcome back to How to Mastery, your go-to channel for simple and updated tech tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Instagram account safely and easily using the latest 2025 method. Let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping the bottom right corner icon. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Account Center. In Account Center, tap Personal Details, then select Account Ownership and Control. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Instagram account you want to deactivate. Here you'll see two options, Deactivate Account and Delete Account. Tap on Deactivate Account, then select Continue. Instagram will ask you to choose a reason for deactivation. Pick one from the list. After that, enter your password to confirm. Finally, tap Deactivate Account. And that's it. Your Instagram account will now be temporarily disabled. When your account is deactivated, your profile, photos, comments, and likes are hidden until you log back in. Once you sign in again, your account will automatically reactivate, just like before. And there you go. You've successfully learned how to deactivate your Instagram account in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more easy step-by-step tutorials, only on How to Mastery.